I'm often doing ceremony for, 300 or 400 people, so I can't be sitting there with a knife chopping it all up or a grater grating it all up. So the other thing I'll do is put it in a pot. We can't ever bring the temperature of the cacao up above about 87 degrees Celsius. So you always want to keep the temperature of your cacao below 87 degrees. Saying that, when I do my big batches, I boil a whole lot of water, usually in a kettle, and what I'll do is I'll put the cacao chunks just like this, even bigger, sometimes like big chunks, in the bottom of my pots, and usually I'll have 3 or 4 big pots going when I'll be doing cacao for that many people. I'll start by pouring the boiling water on top of the chunks of the cacao, then start stirring it. So obviously that's 100 degrees, but as soon as the water hits the cacao, it cools down below 87 pretty much on impact. So what that does is it heats the cacao enough to start stirring. Now, as I add in all my ingredients, which I'll talk more about my ceremonial recipes in the next episodes, I'll add my coconut milks and almond milks, herbs and spices, etc., as I'm boiling the pot. So I'll basically put in the cacao, pour the boiling hot water over the cacao, and then put it on the stove top, on the gas ideally, and start stirring. And then I'll start pouring my various milks and other ingredients in the pot, which keeps that temperature below 87. So as soon as I start to see it getting warm or steaming, I pour more cool coconut or almond milk or soy milk or whatever you're using, macadamia milk, oh my god, and so on, and then just keep stirring it. And as you're preparing it, putting in all your intentions and these things, it basically just breaks down over about 20 minutes until you've got this beautiful, thick, luscious, silky smooth cacao brew.